7 powerful recruiting tips that will help you in your network marketing business. Now, the 6th thing is to sponsor your recruits. What do I mean by this? Or should I say sponsor your downlines, sponsor the people that you are to recruit in this business. Now, I'm not telling you to go and pay for these people. Far from it. What I mean by this is you should be a leader that takes care of these people's needs. They are new to the system. Your target shouldn't be to just make commissions out of them, and once you make the commission, just that immediate commission, you leave them hanging. You don't care about what they are passing through. You don't care if they even know where they are or understand this thing very well. Remember, at that point of recruiting, even you in the business, there are some things that you still do not understand very well. You are still learning, because that's part of network marketing. So don't ever at any point think that you have registered this person, that this person can go. I keep saying duplication is important. In duplication, this person you just signed into your company, there are people this person knows that you don't know. So imagine when this person is marketing to these people. Remember, it's part of your team. Your team is expanding. So don't be selfish. And then at the point of being selfish, you are also killing yourself, because you leave that person just on your own. Do whatever you want to do. Have a group where you can add these people and then educate them on weekly basis. We can put it once a week to tell them more about the business, to let them know that this they can do, apply this, and then reach out to you on daily basis. You see, it becomes easier for that team to build and grow. When the team grows, you make more money for yourself. That means you are actually doing the work of a leader. You are sending them the tools they need for adverts. Simplify the process for them. When you send them videos, pictures, whatever they can use to market, you see that they worry less. You see now, they worry less of what to post. They're only just to come. You've posted something to the group, everybody will just post it. And also, if you want to go further, you can as well try to check out on those people who have actually posted. And if there are people that have not posted, remember on the 4th one we talked about you having a daily routine. So you can as well try to reach out to these people and ask, how far have you posted today? I sent some tools, I sent some advert posts for you on in the group, so you can actually use these things to market and recruit more people. And once they are marketing, you see that they'll be coming to you to ask more questions, because prospects will be reaching out to them. That way you are widening your horizon. Now, the 7th thing is not to take rejection personal. In this business, many people are going to tell you, I'll get back to you, and will never come back. Like I said earlier, 80% of the work is done when these persons have saved your number. Some people will reach out to you a year later. Some people will reach out to you 2 years later. That is part of the business, okay? Don't take it personal. Let me tell you how I do my own. Once I've marketed, I don't go to people. I don't bug you. They come to me, they reach out to me, because I'm already making an impact out there on social media. So when they come to me in my inbox, the first thing I usually do is to make sure I tell you to save my number. Yes, save my number. Once you save it, everything has been taken care of. That was my target first, to make sure you save that number, because I'll save your own. So once I'm sure you have saved it, I'll now go ahead and ask you whether I should send you an audio or I should send you a write-up. Whichever one you choose, I will send it to you. I'll just give you a short audio clip of what the business is about. I will also send you a write-up. Now, usually I used to say, will you prefer a write-up or will you prefer an audio? Now, some people will tell you, okay, go ahead and send me a write-up. Some will say, send me everything. So you can even send video, you can send flyers, you can send video evidences of people that have made it in the business. And I usually don't care about close-up. Let me just be honest, at that point, I don't care. That's the fact you showed interest. I believe so much in my follow-up, so I don't really put pressure in close-up in that part. It's okay, it's fine, I do it, but I don't put pressure on it. I don't allow it to discourage me a lot or make me feel that, okay, this is the end game. It's not the end for me. I trust myself in marketing a lot. So what I do is just, once I'm done with that, I ask you if you have questions, and then I'll reply all your questions. Even if you say I'll get back to you later, no problem. My target is save your number. Now, follow up does the rest. Follow up finish up the work for you. In follow up, just advertise, market. There are lots to follow up. I will still be discussing it in my next video, so that you can know that okay, this will help you in following up. These are the steps you need to apply in following up. And more to this, enjoy the business. You said this is a business that you want to do, but you have not personalized that business. How do you want to make money from it? If you don't trust yourself, how do you want others to trust you? If you don't enjoy the business you are into, if your enthusiasm is very low, how will you want to recruit people? Sometimes people already see, I don't know whether it's a feeling or that's how life is. People already feeling that you are not even convinced yourself. So how can you convince them? And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. The next video will be teaching you more on what you need to do in network marketing. So don't forget to click, don't forget to subscribe, because here we'll be helping each other to grow our business. The target is, what can I do to curtail this challenge I'm having in network marketing?